Cisco is a well-established company specializing in fabrication, offering a range of services to industries such as construction, automotive, aerospace, and oil and gas. The company's operations focus on creating custom-designed products and components from raw materials like metals, plastics, and composites. Through a combination of advanced manufacturing techniques and a skilled workforce, Cisco delivers high-quality, precise, and durable products that meet specific client requirements. The structure of a fabrication company like Cisco is multifaceted, with each department playing a vital role in the overall operation. At the top of the organizational hierarchy is the executive management team, typically composed of the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Chief Operations Officer, COO, Chief Financial Officer, CFO, and other key leaders. These executives are responsible for steering the company in the right direction, making high-level strategic decisions, managing stakeholder relationships, and ensuring the company operates efficiently and profitably. The engineering and design department plays a critical role in the success of Cisco. This team is tasked with translating client specifications into detailed designs and plans. Engineers use advanced computer-aided design (CAD) software to create blueprints, prototypes, and simulations of the products before any physical fabrication begins. They work closely with the client to ensure that the designs meet both functional and aesthetic requirements. In addition, the engineering department is responsible for considering factors like material selection, structural integrity, and manufacturability, ensuring that the product is both feasible and cost-effective to produce. Once the design phase is completed, the fabrication and manufacturing department takes over. This department is where the raw materials are transformed into the finished product through a series of processes such as welding, machining, cutting, and assembly. Within the manufacturing facility, several specialized sections handle different aspects of fabrication.